Exponential form of large and small numbers. The worksheet 7 of chapter exponents of class 7. Okay. The exponential form of large and small numbers. How to divide and multiply the large numbers. Okay. This is the worksheet 7 of class 7. Okay. Now write each of the following numbers in the form of k into 10 raised to power n, where k is from 1 to 100. K can be written from equal to 1 or greater than 1 but less than the 10. And n is an integer. Okay. N is an integer. Integer means any positive and negative number. Okay. Take the question number 1. 1384000. These are the numbers which we can write in the form of k into 10 raised to power n. Okay. Suppose k equal to from 1 to n, it means we can write 1 point. We put a decimal after 1 because the k range is equal to greater than 1 but less than 10. Okay. Now, I put the decimal here and पहले डेसिमल कहाँ पर है? यहाँ है. मैं डेसिमल कहाँ से यहाँ पर लगा रही हूँ. कितना प्लेस को डिस्प्लेस करके ला रही हूँ? 1 2 3 4 5 6. इट मीन्स द आंसर इज 1.384 इंटू 10 रेज़्ड टू पावर 6. डेसिमल को आपने कितने प्लेस खिसकाया है वही यहाँ पर n बनेगा. ओके. देखिए इन दिस क्वेश्चन 12.32005. ओके. तो 12.32005 means I put a decimal 1.2 because the value of k is this 1.2. The decimal displaces the places 1, only one place. It means we can write 1.232005 into 10. Only 10 raised to power 1. No need to write 1. Only we can write 10. Similarly, first we have write the k. K means the value between 1 and 10. 2157957. Just I write the decimal after 2. How many places it will displace? 1, 2 and 3. I put the decimal here. How many places? Only 3. Decimal come this side. 1, 2, 3. So write 10 raised to power 3. This is a positive powers. Okay. Now come to the negative. N is negative. We have to write only 2. We can write only 2. 2.0. And the 10 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 raised to power 5 but in minus. Because decimal come to this side. If decimal moves from left to right, the power is negative. If the decimal moves left to right, power negative. N is negative. And decimal moves right to left, positive power. Clear? Suppose 0.00729. So we can write 7.29 because the value of this 7.29. And decimal displaces how many places? 1, 2, 3. This side. It means 10 raised to power minus 3. Similarly, in this question, just put the decimal 9.26. Okay. And how many places? These are coming this side. It means minus. How many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this question, the 5.2. We can write 5.2. And decimal, पहले decimal यहाँ है at the end. And we are taking this much. How many places? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means 5.2 into 10 raised to power 8. Positive power because from right to left. In this question, we can write 8.5 and 10. How many places decimal? First minus, come to this side minus and places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the rule of writing a large number in the large and small numbers in the form of exponential. Okay. Now question number 2 of worksheet 7. Question number 2, write the following numbers in a usual form. Usual form just like in the question number 1. Okay. These are the questions. We have to write the 52.5 into 10 raised to power 4. Just we are converting this form into this form. 52.5. First 52.5. Here is a point. The power is 4. If the positive power 1, 2, 3. डेसिबल कहाँ था? यहाँ था. मैंने उसकी पावर 4 है तो डेसिबल को पीछे खिसकाना है. तो लास्ट में तो डेसिबल यूज होता नहीं है. तो आंसर क्या हो गया? 525000. सिमिलरली 9. द डेसिबल के बाद कितना नंबर है? 1. और हमको कितना चाहिए? 6. तो हम लोग कितने जीरोस पुट करेंगे? 5 एंड रिमूव द डेसिमल. 1 2 3 4 5. यहाँ था 1 2 3 4 5 6 बिकॉज द पॉजिटिव पावर. पॉजिटिव पावर है, पीछे में 0 बढ़ाएंगे. नेगेटिव है, आगे बढ़ाएंगे. यहां भी देखिए 9 पॉइंट. हमको इस नंबर से कोई मतलब नहीं, इसको यहां सिर्फ लिख लेना है. 545 भी लिख लेना है. अब डेसिमल के बाद कितने प्लेसेस हैं? 1 2 3 और चाहिए हमको कितने? 12. तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. दिस इज द नंबर. ओके. Now 1.7 to 10 raised to power minus 5. 1.72. तो डेसिमल कहाँ है? यहाँ है. और माइनस पावर है, कितने प्लेस ले जाना है? 5. यानी 1 प्लेस ऑलरेडी है. 1 2 3 4. माइनस मीन्स डेसिमल कम्स टू दिस साइड. 8.5 into 10 raised to power minus 7. Minus 7 means 1 digit is here. And again 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 8 5. सिंपल. डेसिमल यहां था, यहां से इसका जस्ट उल्टा है. जैसे इसको सॉल्व किए हैं ऐसे ही इसको किया. 2.9 into 10 raised to power 9. यानी 9 प्लेस डेसिमल 9 places and 1 place is here. How many zeros I will put? 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 2. These are the 9 places and the number is this. Here in the positive power, it means decimal comes at the last. One place is here. So how many zeros are needed? 4. 2 1 2 3 4. यहाँ था 5 हो गया. Next minus 6. It means 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 and 1. These are the 6 places and the last digit. This is the usual form of large numbers. This is the exponential form and the now multiply and division of these numbers. Express each of the following in the form of k into 10 raised to power n. Here is a division, multiplication, division and multiplication, division. How to solve these numbers? Now the first, simple division. Divide, we can divide in the, can be written in the form of like this. Into 10 raised to power 7 by 5 into 10 raised to power 3. There are two ways. By dividing decimal form and subtract the power of 10. Now convert into simple form. 2 places after the decimal and pay 7 power. तो 1 2 3 4 5. यहाँ था डेसिमल, मैंने 5 प्लेस इसको कर दिए 7 और नीचे 5 into 10 raised to power 3 means 3 zeros. Now you can divide easily. 5 25 100. You can write in the exponential form 2.5. डेसिमल यहाँ है, यहाँ से हम लोग यहाँ ले आए तो क्या लिखेंगे? 10 raised to power 3. Okay. Same second multiplication. 2.5 into 10 raised to power 10. तो 2.5 into 31 25. and power 10 raised to power 10 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Just simple multiply 2.5 into 31.25. 71825. 8125. And the power in the multiplication, power 10 minus 5 is 5. Simple. And 781 convert into the exponential form. We can write 7.8125 and 10 raised to power 4. This can be written in the form of this and 10 raised to power 5. 7.8125 in multiplication, power added 4 plus 5. This is the answer. Now the third is 1.6 into 10 raised to power 9 into 5 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Simple 1.6 into 5 and 10 raised to power 9 minus 3 is 6. 16,580. 8.0 into 10 raised to power 6. This is the simple answer. And the last fourth portion is 3.4 into 10 raised to power 4 into 5 into 10 raised to power minus 3 divided by 2 into 10 raised to power 5. Simple. 3.4 into 5. 17. Into 10 raised to power 4 minus 3 is 1. And 2 into 10 raised to power 5. Divide करना. So we can simply divide 17, 8.5 and the power subtract. In the division the power subtract 1 minus 5. In the exponential form power subtract हो जाती हैं division में. Multiplication में add होती हैं. This is the answer. And the last question. Express the numbers appearing in the following statements in the form of k into 10 raised to power n while this. This is a simple question number 1. The sun's diameter is 1384000. We can write in the exponential form 1.384 and the power is the decimal 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. डेसिमल कितना प्लेस हमको डिस्प्लेस करना है वही यहाँ पर n बनता है. In this question 150000000 we can write 1.5 and 10 raised to power positive power 2, 3, 3, 6 or 2, 8. डेसिमल को खिसका. The speed of light is 27600 km per second. We can write 2.76 into 10 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple decimal come to right side. In this form 1 angstrom unit is 1 upon 10. 10 raised to power 10. It means 1 into 10 raised to power minus 10. On division the power ऊपर आएगी तो क्या होगी? Negative. This is the answer. 1 into 10 raised to power minus 10.